Hello everyone and welcome to another edition of Frontend News, the show that brings you information on the latest events in the industry. Here are the highlights of what I have prepared for you today. Widespread outages break the internet. GatsbyJS announces the stable releases of themes. Image support for the Async Clipboard API is coming in Chrome 76. And I'm introducing a new section for notable software releases. Before we go into details, I want to encourage you to subscribe to the channel for more content like this, as well as tips, tricks and advice on how to build a successful career in front-end development. All this being said, let's get started. It looks like being out of service is the new fashion among internet giants. After Google Cloud went down a few weeks ago, there was a string of outages this week with some very big names featured in the lead role. A big chunk of the internet screeched to a halt when Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp decided to take a collective break. Users all over the world reported issues and a lot of the chaos spread over on Twitter, as the only main social network still functional at the time. Even the CIA got into the game, although they denied any involvement in the incident. Fortunately for everyone's sanity, the issue was solved in the end. As a side effect, the event did shed some light on how Facebook itself views the world. Beside the broken image icon, the missing pictures also showed the tags assigned by the machine vision system. Anyone else having flashback of the Matrix? Yeah, I thought so. Cloudflare messed up a software deployment that caused the equipment CPUs to spike at 100% on their entire platform. During this time, anyone visiting any of the affected websites encountered a 502 bad gateway error. Fortunately, the issue was solved in about 30 minutes, with traffic returning to normal shortly after that. For those passionate about the technical details, the post-mortem analysis of the incident is now available on the Cloudflare blog. Not even Twitter escaped unscathed this week. Their direct message service was down for a period of time on July the 3rd. A few hours later, the official Twitter support account mentioned that the outage was solved and that the service was once more functional. All things considered, this was not a great week to be an internet engineer. GatsbyJS is a free and open source framework built on top of React and is one of the most used static site generators, first by the number of Twitter followers and fourth by the number of GitHub stars. They have recently announced that their theme system is now part of the stable code release. As each Gatsby website is a standalone entity, the theme system takes all the default configuration and packs it as an external dependency that can be updated independently of the main code. This makes it easy to update a theme or even switch to another theme compatible with your setup. A new article on the Google Developers Portal announces that Chrome 76 will feature support for copying PNG images to the clipboard programmatically. There are a number of security concerns related to very large image files that can overload the memory, or specially crafted malicious images that try to exploit known vulnerabilities in the native OS. The current solution is to transcode the images during the process. Happy copy and pasting. I'm opening here a new section where I will cover releases that don't warrant a full mention of their own. I'm starting this first edition with 3 entries. NPM gets to version 6.10.0. React Native 0.60 has been launched, and Visual Studio Code has been advanced to version 1.36. For more details about each update, make sure to check the links in the description down below. Question of the day. What sort of events and news would you like to see covered in future episodes of the show? Please let me know by leaving a comment down below or by dropping a message on Twitter at twitter.com/frontendnexus. Like this video if you like it and share it with your friends if you loved it. If you want to see more content like this, as well as more practical tips, tricks and advices on how to build a successful career in front-end development, don't forget to subscribe using the big red button down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.